Prevost is proud to be the first North American motor coach manufacturer to introduce an innovative remote diagnostic system. It provides important and accurate real-time information and helps you see service issues before they occur, removing unpredictability. This remote diagnostic system carries out analysis of critical systems in Prevost motor coaches to avoid breakdowns or trouble on the road. The most critical systems of a vehicle are analyzed and coded. Remote diagnostics allows a driver to be instantly alerted of a problem that has arisen. Solutions are also provided to the driver. At the same time, our support team remotely confirms the diagnostics and offers to take an appointment for you at the closest service center. The time and the itinerary to get to the service center are immediately communicated to the driver. Everything has been designed so that you can save time. When you arrive at the service center, mechanics are able to quickly repair your vehicle. Diagnostic time is reduced by 70% and repair time by 22%. We ensure that you are back on the road in no time. No matter where you are, Prevost's remote diagnostic system is with you. This system keeps an eye on your vehicle should anything happen while you are on the road. Prevost's remote diagnostic system is a real-time service that ensures your peace of mind.